good morning all of you. Welcome to MDM Children Academy Class 5. Our today's topic for Class 5 is Chapter 3 English Course Exercise Homophones. As you read in your previous classes what is homophones, you know about it. Okay, so let's read. Words that have the same pronunciation but different spellings and meanings are called homophones. As you here notice the pictures, did you notice that they are different in spelling but pronounce exactly the same? They are also different in meaning but they pronounce same. We called them homophones. Understand? I can say homophones words that have the same pronunciation but different spellings and different meaning. Okay, so we call them homophones. These words we are called homophones. Homo means same and phone means sound. Similarly, a sounding word can be confusing, right? But we must pay attention to the spelling in order to understand the real meaning of it. Fine? So these we called homophones. Let's read there how we can consider homophones. Okay? Like I can give you word band, B-A-N-D, but same pronunciation of the another meaning is B-A-N-N-E-D, band. They have same pronouns but different meanings. Like band, B-A-N-D means a group of musicians and B-A-N-N-E-D means something that is not allowed but sound the same. So we consider it homophones. Here you have given the pictures of C, C. Pronounce same but एक को हम देखना कहते हैं SEE and C, समुद्र, beach area, whatever. Right? Next, one thing is right and one thing is right. WRITE लिखना, RIGHT. Right? Which tell you about the direction. Right? Next, desert, desert. Pronounce same but have different meaning. Desert we consider a sweet dish and desert we consider at dry, drought area. Right? Let's go further to more explain it, more understanding it. Here you have giving the homophones and different meaning like BEB and BEEB. एक बी होता है हमारा एग्जिस्ट होना और एक वर्ब का फॉर्म होता है बी विच वी कंसीडर इज हमारा वर्ब फॉर हेल्पिंग वर्ब, राइट. एंड एक बी है एज इंसेक्ट एंड इंसेक्ट. So homophones have different meaning but sound same. I think it is getting clear to you by the pictures also. And if you will do the exercise, it will clear to you more. Okay. Next, air, hair, air, air. यहाँ पे एच जो हमारा है वो साइलेंट है. फर्स्ट एयर का हमारा मीन्स है फ्रेश एयर एंड द सेकेंड वन इज एयर टू द थ्रोन, किसी का उत्तराधिकारी होना. ओके. थर्ड है बेयर, बेयर एंड बेयर. एक होता है बेयर विद बेयर हैंड्स, राइट. एक होता है बेयर बर्डन, एक होता है बेयर एनिमल. कंसीडर. नेक्स्ट वन इज एड, एड. एक ऐड होता है किसी में ज्वाइन करना, ऐड करना समथिंग, एंड एक ऐड है ADD एंड एडवर्टाइजमेंट. ओके, कोई ऐड, विज्ञापन वगैरह. बैंड, बैंड आई टोल्ड यू फर्दर like one means of musician group band and second something that is not allowed, that is totally banned, like here lockdown is going on, totally banned, right. Next one I have given you picture. With the help of picture you will clear, like pair, pair, one, one, ant, eight, eight, right. पैर, पैर, एक शू पैर आपको दे रखा है, सॉक्स पैर, और एक पैर जो फ्रूट है वो. वन पर्सन ट्रॉफी, राइट. वन ट्रॉफी, सो वन जीतना. वन वी कंसीडर एक. एंट किसी इंसेक्ट. आंट फीमेल लेडी, राइट. ate, counting, ate something eaten, कुछ खा लिया. So that we consider homophones. I think it is clear to you all. You just have to learn its vocab. Not a part of grammatical, it is just vocab we can consider. So I think it is done for you. Now I'll give you exercise and you have to fill that exercise to read the sentences. Okay, have a nice day.